The women's group of Umlyngkdait village has officially received a new office building funded under the Special Rural Works Programme or the SRWP, valued at 4 lakh rupees. The facility was inaugurated by Nongpoh MLA Meral Bonsi, who highlighted the importance of the office in supporting community development efforts. He praised the women's group for their unity and commitment to building a better society and urged them to maintain the office as a lasting asset. Village leaders and residents expressed gratitude to the MLA for his initiative.
Ketika skim itu pergi, ketika skim demi MLA dan bagi orang bagi MLA skim genre ketika skim itu apa? Baru ki skim ki bagi ni dan kalau anda lembah dong kita nak sokar, kan? Kalau anda lembah dong office dong video, kalau anda lembah dong DC, kalau anda nak publik, kalau anda lembah di MLA, baru kedai skim itu apa? Itu pergi.